Morning everyone, it is vlogmas day 6, but for us it's the 1st, oh no, for us it's the 1st of December. I like, this is such a bad angle. So we're going to open our advent calendars.
I wonder what's in it.
Which should we do a thumbnail? It's the Christmas countdown.
Mine says, it's the Christmas countdown.
What is it today?
What's a reindeer?
That's not focusing.
Bougie bitches, aren't we?
I
With dairy
love
milk.
chocolate in the morning. The mission for today is to buy another advent calendar.
I don't think we need to. I don't get why you need another.
One's not enough. I've literally filmed this clip like 4 times. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I look such a mess. Just ignore that. But today is going to be a really chilled day. I think I'm going to put on a Christmas film. My parents just sent over a big box of fancy M&S cookies, so I'm going to open them. I think I'm going to put on Christmas with the Cranks because I've never seen that before. I just got changed into this joggy set. We actually just got back from the shops, but I didn't film anything because I was just getting some stuff for smoothies, so I didn't think it was very interesting. I've also put our advent calendars up. Today is going to be a good day. I definitely should start studying for my exams, that are literally next week, but I'm just not feeling it today, and it's 1st of December, I need to be relaxed, I need to feel festive, so we're having a Christmas movie day. Also, my first day of vlogmas is going up in 42 minutes. Sorry, just ignore my dressing gown here. I'm really excited to see what everyone thinks. I haven't really filmed very much today. We watched that Christmas film, which is nice. Did you like it?
Yeah,
I thoroughly enjoyed it. I feel like I wasn't really paying full attention, but I liked it. And we watched The Chase, and now we're going to the shops to get some dinner. Look at those dried flowers.
You're moldy.
What? Look at this. I swear, Danny, every single thing that I keep in your room goes mouldy. My beauty blender went mouldy.
Are those?
Both of my plants, this plant and that plant, both went mouldy. Now my dried flowers. And look, the mould has gotten even worse. Sure, nobody wants to see that, that's kind of gross. Danny and I are on our way right now to the shops to get something for dinner. So I just got a bit distracted there. I've got my new club card with me, so we'll see if we can get any money off. I thought I would show you what we're having for dinner tonight. Just to pad out this vlog a bit, kind of show you a bit of cooking. Don't show you much cooking content on this channel because I cannot cook and Danny's the one who does all of it. So maybe you'll have to enlighten the vlog tonight with your cooking. Oh, there's people outside the door. Bye. Look at this nice tree that they fit up.
Just for you.
Yeah. Oh, they've done their lights the way you said you should do it.
Apparently it's not a video and I said it was better.
Apparently putting your lights on vertically is the most, oh, should this be my thumbnail? It's the most effective, that's not going to be my thumbnail. It's the most effective way to put on your Christmas tree lights. So we'll try that next year. Got the essentials. So we just got back from the shops. I know I said I was going to show you us cooking something, but we ended up actually just buying a pasta sauce. So I'm going to make pasta bake. What are you looking at?
You.
Let me see how to do this. Oh, also I bought a cider because Danny was buying beer, so I was like, I'll just buy myself a cider in passion fruit. And you've already seen that I bought my advent calendar. Even though I've already got one, but I wanted another one. I'm trying to film you here.
I'm talking about tennies.
It's saying that I need to do it with dry pasta, which I still find a bit weird. Oh, and we also have garlic bread. By side, this is only 32p in Tesco, and we never found a better garlic bread than this one. Should I add the whole jar? This looks disgusting. Here is what it looks like. Yummy, nice and watery. Then I put it in the oven for 25 minutes. And then an extra 20 minutes. I just took it out halfway through because it says to mix it. But why is it burnt? Danny, it's burnt and it still has another 20 minutes to go.
Sure you just can't read again?
Yes, it definitely said to do this. See, this is what happens to me when I try and cook.
Yeah.
Well, Danny, you've done a really good job at pouring this.
Thanks, it's that ball here, isn't it?
I'm about to take our dinner out of the oven. It really doesn't look good. I don't know how I managed to mess up literally making essentially just pouring pasta sauce in, what are those things called? Pouring pasta sauce in a dish. But I'm sure it will taste nice. I also don't even think the garlic bread's been in long enough, so this is kind of a disaster. Also, I have just been informed that it may snow tomorrow. I am hoping and praying that it's true and it actually happens. I feel as though because we're in the city though, like, will it really be snow / will it even lie if there is snow? I don't know, but we can hope, I guess. Right, okay, I'm gonna go take my dinner right now and see how much of a disaster it is. Here is our finished dinner. Looks alright actually.
Oi, oi, Savaloy.
Might be a wee bit dry.
Tastes lovely, however.
You're on top of a mug right now, but I realised that I can open my new advent calendar. I bet the chocolate's gonna be like really, really bad. Can't find number one. This is really, really weird. I also look terrible right now. But I remember watching Zoella's vlogmases and always like finding it really satisfying the way she opens the advent calendars. I don't know why, but like I can't ever open it the same way. But like, I don't know, that sounds really weird. I'll probably cut that out because that makes it sound like a bit weird, doesn't it? Let me taste the chocolate. I literally look so bad right now. Oh well. Oh my god, why are my eyes watering so much? I just woke up from like a 3-hour nap. It's now midnight. There's absolutely no chance I'm sleeping tonight. I thought that if I tried to fall asleep at 9, then I would just fall asleep for the whole night. But now I'm awake. I'm actually kind of hungry. I might go make something to eat. Oh my god, I think I've woken up with like a cold. Also, I have such itchy eyes. Okay, let's go through to the living room. I really want chocolate biscuit actually. So I'll show you the fancy box chocolate biscuits I got from my parents today. Oh, I can't get the door open. Morning. Here's the box of chocolates. What? Tea. I want a cup of tea, but we only have the one with, we don't have any decaf. I mean, I don't mind having one anyway because I don't think I'll sleep for ages.
I don't know.
Alright, well, we're making a cup of tea now. We got some new mugs the other day from Typo. We actually got 4, but these 2 are my favourite. Yeah, I really like these, so I'll show you. Here's our tea. I have mine really, really, really weak because I like it milky. Here are the biscuits. I had one of those earlier. I think I'm going to have the milk one now because it was nice, but it was very sickly. So I'm going to go for this one with my tea. So I will end this video here. I hope that you guys have enjoyed. I know that I didn't really do very much today, but I feel like it's a chill vlog. Maybe some people will like it. I was tempted to actually not use this video today, but some people will like it, I'm sure. So I hope that you enjoyed again, and I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 7. We actually have a really fun day tomorrow. We're going shopping for all of our food for our flat Christmas dinner, which is on Friday, which I'm so excited about. I know I already ended this vlog, but my Spotify 2020 Wrapped thing came in just now, so I thought I would show you. So my top artists were Taylor Swift, Hosier, Tidelines, The Neighbourhood, 5 Seconds of Summer, and these were my top songs. Some classics there. What else have we got? Wait, what? Okay, well, all those pictures are the same. Okay, well, I just thought I would show you that. Bye bye, see you tomorrow.